Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy business interruption insurance with Zurich, beginner guide step by step clearly. Business interruption insurance is crucial for protecting your company against unexpected disruptions. Begin by understanding what business interruption insurance covers. This type of insurance can help cover lost income, rent, and other expenses when your business can't operate due to a covered event. Visit Zurich's official website to gather detailed information about their specific offerings. Create an account or log into your existing Zurich account for easier navigation. Review the various business interruption insurance options available to you. Make sure to identify the coverage limits and exclusions for each policy. Assess your business needs and the potential risks you face. Calculate the amount of coverage necessary to protect your income during a disruption. Fill out the online application form provided by Zurich. Be prepared to provide details about your business operations, revenue, and any previous claims. Attach any required documentation to support your application. After submission, monitor the progress of your application through your Zurich account. Stay in contact with your Zurich representative for any additional information they may require. Once your application is approved, review the policy documents carefully. Make sure to understand the terms and conditions outlined in the policy. If any questions arise, don't hesitate to reach out to your Zurich representative for clarification. After understanding all details, pay the premium to activate your coverage. Keep your policy information accessible for future reference. Regularly review your policy to ensure it meets your evolving business needs. Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor or insurance broker for additional insights. Stay informed about changes in your industry that may impact your coverage needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.